Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Stripe payments for your investment site, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Stripe payments from your investment site, begin by logging into your website's admin panel. Navigate to the section where your plugins or integrations are managed. Locate the Stripe payment plugin among the list of active plugins. Click on the deactivate option next to the Stripe plugin. Once deactivated, find the option to delete the plugin. Confirm the deletion action when prompted. After removing the plugin, you need to access your website's code if Stripe was integrated directly. Open your code editor to find the relevant files where Stripe was implemented. Look for any JavaScript or API key entries related to Stripe. Remove these entries carefully to ensure no remnants remain. Next, check your payment processing settings in your website's backend. Set new payment methods or providers, if necessary. To avoid any disruptions, inform your users about the change in payment options. Test your website thoroughly to ensure that the Stripe payment options are no longer present. Check all pages where users might have interacted with Stripe before. Verify that the uninstallation did not affect other functionalities of your site. Finally, monitor your site for any issues that may arise post-uninstallation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.